Hello, welcome to First Grade Vocabulary Sight Words List 1. Ready to learn some new words? Here we go. A tree is green. Banana. Bob ate a banana today. Brown. The brown crayon is sharp. Crab. I found a crab on the beach. Family. Our family is large. Girl. Sue is a girl. Hill. Bob is on the hill. Know. Bob and Sue know each other. Much. Sue has too much work. Hour. Our dog Buddy runs fast. Ran. Buddy ran faster than Sue. Show. The television show was good. Teacher. Sue likes her teacher. 2. Bob has too many pencils. Went. Sue went to the mall. That was fun. Learning new things is always fun. Be sure to replay this video often. Once you learn these words, they are yours forever. Safe learning place. Please subscribe to this channel.